Hi everyone, welcome to Ram24.com. Today we've got a quick tutorial on how to detach the side buttons. First, we use a very thin tool to leave the contact pad of the side buttons. Next, with the tweezers, we carefully peel the contact pad away. Then, from the other side, we start peeling off the buttons themselves. We carefully work along the edge, folding the flex cable out of the way so it doesn't interfere or get damaged. We keep going all the way to the end to fully detach the side buttons. And that is it, the side buttons are removed successfully.